Hi, and welcome to the WORX website management system for non-geeks. My name is Jeff Newman. I'm owner and developer of Indie Networks. I am a geek. However, I am not an actor or a voiceover professional, so that will become quite apparent to you here very soon. But I have discovered that if I keep starting and stopping this thing and trying to get it just perfect, I'll never get it done. So if I stammer or stutter or say a few uhs and ahs, I hope you'll bear with me while we learn this system. This will be the first and last PowerPoint presentation. I just wanted to do a quick overview of what the WORX system is, and then from there we will move on to a demo site on the web and dive in and actually work with the system. The WORX program is a suite of programs that interact with each other in some pretty unique ways, and you'll see that as we go through the various tutorials. The PageWORX is the first program. That's the one I would refer to as the mothership. It contains a dashboard. It's kind of your launching pad to some of the other WORX programs that we'll be going through these tutorials. It is your basic content management system for most of the content of your website. It also contains your site settings, or your ability to manage, I should say, site settings and some other administrative functions for your website. UserWORX is the user management program, which allows you to manage site administrators and editors and other back-end users such as calendar administrators. It also allows you to manage your site users, or public users where applicable. Your site may not have logins for anyone other than administrators, but if it does, for example, if you have clients that log in or members of your organization that log in, they're managed using the same program that you use to manage your administrators. And last but not least is ContactWORX. ContactWORX collects site contacts and manages your mailing lists. For example, if your contact form has a checkbox that says check this box to if you'd like to receive information from us, this is where that information would go. From there you can download it, export it into whatever contact management system software you might be using, or you can send it over to a service like Constant Contact or ExactTarget. Or, even better, if you ask me, you can send HTML emails directly to your list from ContactWORX, and there's some other features in there that we can talk about, and some of the interaction between ContactWORX and PageWORX is pretty cool. So hopefully you'll take a look at some of those tutorials when it's time to talk about ContactWORX. And there are a few more WORX programs that may or may not be installed on your website. CalendarWORX, I assume that's pretty obvious. PhotoWORX, another obvious one. And maybe there's more to come. I'm not sure. We'll see how that plays out and what you might be asking for. So with that said, let's move on to our next video, or I should say our first video in the actual tutorial series, and let's head over to the web.